We've been waiting this day for many years. It was a dream for every Burundian. Today our dream has come true. We're celebrating. Your love for motherland has made you stronger. It has made you train hard day and night. No matter all the struggles, you made it till the end. We are proud of you.
Remember, you are not alone. We all support you. Even the African Cup of Nations, we will be with you. We'll never abandon you. We are proud of you. In Namibia, in Namibia, we love you. We support you.
Ewe Burundi gato n'urugita batavuza kubigwa n'abakumenye bagatamarira. Abarundi b'intwari nk'intamba mu rugamba biyemeje gutura amaboko nabyo basaba kubira icyuya c'amaraso.